If you're using an iPad or an iPhone, you can bring video and audio together pretty easily. Right now, I'm recording the screen on my iPad. And the way I did that was I went to Settings, and I went to Control Center, and I went to Customize Controls. When you see Customize Controls, you'll see all of these controls that are available. Choose Screen Recording. I'm going to close out of the Control Center folder just to show you what I mean. Now I'll press the Home button, and here's my home screen. When I swipe in the upper right-hand corner of the screen, I'll swipe down toward the center of the screen. You'll see that I'm recording my screen, and all of these other apps that are down there are available for me. If I wanted to launch, for example, the timer, I could click on the timer, and there it is. So again, I'll swipe the upper right-hand corner of the screen, and I have access to these controls. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go to YouTube, and I'm going to record some of this Star Wars footage. And since I don't need the audio, I'm going to turn the volume down and mute it. And I'll go back to the beginning of the video, go to full screen. And of course, my iPad is being recorded right now. It's recording the screen. So all of this stuff that's happening, I'm going to be able to import into iMovie in just a few minutes. So I'm just going to let it go a little bit. And there we have it. So I'll hit stop. Again, swipe the upper right-hand corner, and I'll tap the flashing record button. So now I'm getting indication that the screen recording was saved to Photos. That's fantastic. So I can launch a program like iMovie, and I'll click on Create Project. And I'll create a movie. And it's asking me to import something. So here is the latest video that I took on my screen. So I'll hit select, and then I'll tap at the bottom Create Movie. So here's the movie of me. This is the beginning where I showed you how to make this screencast. And here's all my Star Wars footage. So if I just wanted all this Star Wars footage, I could slice it right here, and then I can record my voiceover. If I hit record right here, this little microphone, I'll be able to play along with this video. And then I'll have the audio track and the video track together. Here's what that looks like. Just tap the microphone. It says ready to record. Tap record. It counts down 3, 2, 1, and you play. Tap pause, and you're done. Kind of. There's still a little cleaning up to do here. Notice that I have the pre-roll, all that earlier stuff that I recorded. I don't want to submit that. So I'm just going to split the video in half. I'll line up the playhead before the recording, tap split, and then I can delete the video on the left. Now highlight it and hit the trash can. It goes away. So here's my video with the recording. And I'll go to the end, and I'm going to just tap the video and pull it back to the left. Now I'll hit done in the upper left-hand corner. Now I can give it a title. And now I'm done. I can hit the upload icon and save this.